Hey guys, welcome back to the shed. Today I'm going to be making myself a little pocket carrier, something that I can keep around with me, just to open boxes, cut string, whatever I need to do. I'm going to make it out of some of this rebar, and yeah, let's get forging. Okay, so some commentary on the Vevor 66-pound anvil. I've liked it so far, but with the cheapness of it, you do get some minor deteriorations in quality. I don't know if you guys saw on that last hit, but instead of the edge going into my workpiece went into the edge. It seems like there's a little hollow spot, and I've noticed this is a little trend, at least with the anvil I got right here. Got some markings. So remember, it's always good to get a good quality anvil, but I would also still recommend this Vevor anvil as a good beginner's anvil, but do recognize that there might be some setbacks and drawbacks in quality because of how cheap they are. Okay, so the design I'm having an idea for is, I think I'm gonna punch a hole about right here on the workpiece as a finger hole, and then just have a bit of a heel coming out, so then it gives you a little bit of grip, but still something nice and light that you can carry around. Okay, so we've now got the hole punched to, well, hopefully will fit my finger size. Next step is going to be drawing out a heel right here. Then probably mostly on to grinding. Gotta fix up this little curve. I'll figure that out. Alright, so on that last heat, this cracked. Not very surprised, honestly, it was pretty thin. So this either means I'll either restart the project, or I have an idea. It'd be a cool little design out of this. So, let's see if it works. Alright, as you can see, I'm trying to curve. I'm gonna take a couple heats though, just because these things cool. So these. There we go. I feel like that looks pretty nice. Gonna straighten it up and maybe close a little bit tighter, so then the knolls come together a little bit better. Realized I have a good old finishing hammer that we restored a little bit ago. that finishes up the forging process for this, at least for now. Gonna go on to grinding now, and that shouldn't take too long, luckily, since it's such a small project. But gonna let it furnace cool, give it a little bit of a normalizing. So be back in a sec. Alright, so this is done normalizing. Added a touch mark off camera, but plan is, I've drawn it out. We're going to shorten up the blade a lot because I only want it to be about an inch or so. And remember, this is only for opening boxes, cutting, just some small day-to-day stuff. And then this is what the heel will hopefully look like after grinding. So let's get to it. So this is how it's looking right out of the quench. I'm thinking I'll give it a little bit of a wire brush finish and then sharpen it up, and this thing will be basically done at that point. And there she is, all sharpened, ready for a little bit of testing. So as you can see, whittles nicely. These are really the only two tests I can think about because this isn't any major knife, you know, it's just something to carry around, open boxes, just keep on you in case you need a little blade for something. So as you can see, it whittles well. String, not even there. Cuts through yarn and all that stuff pretty easily, which is good. Might be nice to take fishing or something like that for cutting fishing line. Well guys, this was a fun little project to work on. Glad I could take you guys along with me. Let me know if you want to see a small video. I probably will upload it anyway, but I'm probably going to make a small little sheath for this. That'll be a short little video coming up. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment. Really helps the channel out.